Let's take a look at my exhaust today. It's a funky looking system. It has two mufflers or resonators. It kind of comes out from the bottom over there and it loops into somewhere. I don't even know where it loops. Let's take a look from below. It comes out from the bottom there, comes to the front, and it goes back up through here. At the top, it comes to the first muffler right under the coolant reservoir, and then it loops down and into the second muffler. From the second muffler, it curls out and comes out on this little trumpet right here. This is the JWorks brand muffler of some sort. It says it's like an Auto Jewel or Auto Jewel. It's a funky looking thing with the funky font. I can't really read it. Let's go hear what it sounds like. Then I'll drive around to have a listen. Let's go. Okay, so this is about 5 feet from the exhaust tip. I'm gonna use a sound meter here and we can listen to what a cold start sounds like. So it hit a peak of this is what it sounds like about 5 feet away. It's louder when I talk, as you can see. It seems to be hovering around steady 77 when I'm not talking. I'm gonna rev it up. It's not exactly a cold start. It's 70 degrees right now and idle is about 1200 RPM. So I'm gonna rev it up a little bit and I'll indicate where I rev it up. 0 to maybe 100 kilometers per hour, so it's like 62 miles per hour. And you can hear what it sounds like as I'm going away. And then I'm going to do another one where I'm already at speed and drive right by. I'll probably do a low RPM drive-by, and then I'll do like a higher RPM drive-by, say like above 5,000–6,000. Zero to 100 was a bit optimistic there. Didn't happen. Got to like about 60 kilometers per hour. I'll drive it around. You can kind of see my tach. I'll try like a 3,000 cruising, then I'll do like 6,000, then I'll do a 9,000. Okay, let's do 3,000 now. Also going to close my windows. Alright, this is 2,000, 3,000. 4,000. 5,000. And let's do a 1,000. I mean 9,000. Just go for a normal drive out on the road. If you like what you see, please like, comment, subscribe, and tune in next time for the next video of my Suzuki Cara. Thanks for watching.